In this video, I'll show you how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, head over to your Google Docs, right? You need to type in something. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how you can insert a checkbox right now. So you need to place your cursor in the place you want the checkbox to appear once you want to do it, right? So click on this insert. Click on these special characters, then on this search, come on here, type in check, CHECK. Yeah, so you can select any of the check boxes you want. So I want to select this green one. I'll click on it. Exactly, I'll still come on here, click on it. I'll still come on here, click on this one, come on here, click on this, come on here, click on this. So I just inserted checkboxes to this my writings here, right? So this is basically how you can insert a checkbox in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be with you guys in the very next one.